Hard Science. My name is Marilyn. I work at the Marina branch of the Monterey County Free Libraries, and today we'll be welcoming spring by checking out some beautiful flower buds and solving a seedy mystery. First, flowers. Here we see some California poppies. When you first look at a plant, it can be difficult to tell what the seed pods look like because they are also different between different plant kinds. After a few minutes of examination, I found these green hat-like things among the flowers. Check it out. What are they? After a few more minutes, I found a flower in the process of blooming from that green hat-shaped bud, pushing the cap off. You can see it, the flower starting to push that little cap off. So that's how we know that these are the buds that will yield the flowers. I also found a flower in the process of forming a seed pod. This flower, you can see this flower in the process of making what might be a seed pod to see how poppies work. And also some complete seed pods that had already been formed. You can see a couple of other ones too right here. I have loved California poppies for as long as I've lived here, and I was really happy to see even more of them in my yard this year, and thrilled to learn a little bit more about how they work. And now for our seedy mystery. I have noticed this tree in the backyard, and I want to try to figure out what kind it is. When you're looking at a tree, you want to look at all the different parts of it because it can be misleading if you only look at one part, because there are lots of trees that look very similar. So here it is in its full glory. There is the trunk. And you can see up there where the nectarine tree's branches are crossing it. And then there are the seed pods. You can see the ferny leaves. But yeah, those pink flowers are the nectarine tree, kind of invading it. And then here are the parts. We have a long brown seed pods like this, some of which have already split, like you see there. One seed pod left. You have these interesting fern-like leaves. You can see they are kind of flat. And then we have these puffball, oops, oh no, these puffball flowers, which we have these puffball flowers, which may not be totally bloomed yet, but it gives you an idea of what it looks like. So we'll take one of the seed pods and figure out what it is. So here's one of the leaves, one of the seed pods that is open. So it looks like a leaf, but it has, you can see the little seed impressions on the side, and see how it's open, kind of like a taco. So that's where the seeds were. So that's where the tree shed the seeds so that they can grow into new trees. And then I have one of the ones that has the seeds still in it. So it actually makes this rattling noise, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to split this open and see what the seeds look like. So it looks like it's already starting to split. So looks like it was almost ready to turn into this, which most of the other leaves had. So let's open it up. Oh, interesting. Oh my gosh. They're very pretty, smooth, brown seeds. They are hard and smooth. Oh no, and brown and hard to hold because they're slippery. There we go. You can see. Oh, they're pretty small. There were, let's see, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 at least seeds in this little pod. So this is what it looks like after it's split. And these are generally I would use a dichotomous key to identify a plant, but I don't have one of those for this area, so I carefully Googled to find a tree that might have fern-like leaves, long seed pods, and puffball flowers. I was unable to get a definitive answer, but narrowed it down to either a mimosa or an acacia tree. Both those trees have multiple species, and they seem to be non-native and invasive, unfortunately. However, I do love solving seedy mysteries. Well, that's all for this episode of Backyard Science. I hope you had fun learning about poppy and nectarine flowers and solving our seedy mystery. Take care and have fun exploring the beautiful flower buds and interesting seeds in your backyard. Thanks for watching. Bye!